Hello students, welcome to this grade 9 video lesson on Spreadsheet. Today we are going to learn more about advanced formatting in Excel. We will focus on learning about cell style formatting. In this video, you will learn about cell style in Excel, advantages of using cell styles, applying cell style formatting, removing cell style formatting, then we will have a quick test followed by a recap. To start with, what is cell style? In Excel, cell style refers to a set of formatting options already created and ready to be applied to a cell or range of cells. Now, let us have a look at the advantages of using cell styles. The first advantage is speed. It is faster to apply a style than to apply all the formatting features individually. Another advantage of using cell style is consistency. When cell styles are used, the same formatting can be applied every time. Now students, to apply cell styles formatting, perform the following steps. First, open an existing worksheet. Then, select the range of cells you want to format. Here, we will select range of cells A1 to B1. On the Home tab, in the Styles group, open the Cell Styles menu. The Cell Styles gallery appears. In the Titles and Headings section, select the Heading 1 style. As you can see, Heading 1 style has been applied to the range of cells A1 to B1. Next, select range of cells A2 to B11. Then, open the Cell Styles gallery again and in the Themed Cell Styles section, select Accent 6. Observe how a green background with white text is applied to range of cells A2 to B11. Now, to remove cell styles formatting, follow the steps given. Select the cells that are using the cell style that you want to remove. We will select range of cells A1 to B11. On the Home tab of the ribbon, select the Cell Styles button in the Styles section to open the gallery of available styles. In the Good, Bad and Neutral section, near the top of the gallery, select Normal to remove all applied formatting. Observe how all formatting has been removed to the range of cells A1 to B11. Now, we will watch a short demonstration on how to apply cell styles formatting in Excel. Open an existing worksheet. To apply cell styles formatting, we will first select the range of cells A1 to B1. Then, on the Home tab, click on Cell Styles command in the Styles group. In the Titles and Headings section, select the Heading 1 style. Heading 1 style has been applied to the range of cells A1 to B1. Next, select range of cells A2 to B11. Again, on the Home tab, click on Cell Styles command in the Styles group. Now, in the Themed Cell Styles section, select Accent 6. A green background with white text has been applied to the range of cells A2 to B11. Dear students, now you are going to see a demonstration on how to remove cell styles formatting in Excel. To remove cell style formatting, select the range of cells A1 to B11. Then, on the Home tab, select the Cell Styles button. In the Good, Bad and Neutral section, select Normal to remove all applied formatting. Observe how all formatting has been removed to the range of cells A1 to B11. Now, to evaluate what you have learned today, let us do a quick test. Read the following questions carefully. You will have about 3 seconds to give your answer. Number 1. Excel offers many cell styles that have already been created. Is it true or false? The answer is true. Number 2. Same formatting cannot be applied with cell styles each time. Is it true or false? The answer is false. Cell styles allow same formatting to be applied every time. Number 3. Which of the following tabs can be used to access cell styles? Is it A. View, B. Insert, or C. Home? The answer is C. Cell styles can be accessed from the Home tab. Number 4. Which of the following option can be used to remove cell style formatting? Is it A. Good, B. Normal, or C. Neutral? The answer is B. All formatting can be removed with the normal option. Number 5. Cell styles can be applied to a cell only. Is it true or false? The answer is false. Cell styles can be applied to both a cell and a range of cells. Well, students, this is the end of our quick test. I am sure that you found all the correct answers. It is now time for a recap of today's lesson. Cell style refers to a set of formatting options already created and ready to use. Cell styles can be applied to a cell or range of cells. The advantages of using cell styles: it is fast to apply a cell style, and also same formatting can be applied every time. Dear students, we have reached the end of our lesson for today. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye and see you soon.